Hello everyone, welcome to ED Study Today. Today is 12th February 2021 and in this video we are going to cover all the important current affairs of 12th February 2021. So let's begin. So the first question is, which day is observed on 10th February every year? So the correct answer is option B, World Pulses Day. Pulses, which are also known as legumes, are rich source of protein, dietary fiber and minerals. In 2019, the General Assembly proclaimed 10th February as the World Pulses Day. The first WPD, that is World Pulses Day, was held on February 10, 2019. The theme of World Pulses Day is Nutritious Scenes for a Sustainable Future. It has remained the same from 2019 to 2021. National Deworming Day is also observed on 10th February. Now let's move on to the second question. So the second question is, in which state India's first thunderstorm research test bed is planned to be set up? So the correct answer is option C, Odisha. Now let's look at its explanation. So the India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, has announced to set up the first thunderstorm research test bed of the country at Odisha's Balasore district. If you are liking this video, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and do remember to like and share this video. And the PDF link of this video is given in its description. And I have also given the Facebook link in the description, so you can also follow me on Facebook. Now let's look at our third question. So our third question is, recently who has resigned from the post of Director Public Policy India and South Asia at Twitter? So the correct answer is option D, Mahima Kaul. Its detail is, she served at Twitter India for 5 years. Mahima Kaul will continue in her role till the end of March 2021. Ankhi Das had also quit as the Twitter India's policy head earlier in October 2020. Now the next question. Recently, which country has inked an MOU with India for the construction of Shahdud Dam? So the correct answer is option B, Afghanistan. Its explanation is, India and Afghanistan have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, on February 9, 2021 over video teleconferencing, that is VTC, for the construction of Shahdud Dam, that is Lalandar Dam, on a tributary of the Kabul River in Afghanistan. The project cost nearly $300 million. It is a part of the new development partnership between India and Afghanistan. Now the next question. Recently, where is India's first ever geothermal field development project being set up? So the correct answer is option A, Ladakh. Now let's look at its explanation. So India's first ever geothermal power project will be implemented by state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, at Uga village of eastern Ladakh. The project will be implemented in 3 phases and is planned to commission by the end of 2022. Now let's move on to our next question. So the sixth question is, recently in which state PM Modi inaugurated Dobhi Durgapur natural gas pipeline? So the correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Now let's see the detail. So PM Modi visited Haldia in West Bengal on February 7, 2021 and inaugurated 348 km Dobhi-Durgapur natural gas pipeline section. This is part of Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga project. Now this pipeline has been inaugurated in West Bengal, so this is West Bengal in map. The Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. The Governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankar. There are 42 Lok Sabha seats in West Bengal and 16 Rajya Sabha seats, and the state animal of West Bengal is fishing cat, and the state bird of West Bengal is white-throated kingfisher. Now let's move on to our seventh question. So our seventh question is, recently which edition of India-US joint military exercise Yudh Abhyas 20 commenced? So the correct answer is option C, 16. Now let's look at its detail. So the India-US joint military exercise Yudh Abhyas 20 commenced on 8th February 2021 in Mahajan Field Firing Range of Bikaner, Rajasthan. This will continue till 21st February 2021. The previous version of the joint exercise was held in Seattle in the US. Now the eighth question. Recently in which city the National Horticulture Fair, that is NHF 2021, has been organized? So the correct answer is option D, Bengaluru. Now let's look at its detail. So the Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Kailash Chaudhary, inaugurated the National Horticulture Fair, that is NHF 2021, on 8th February 2021 in Bengaluru via virtual mode. The theme of NHF 2021 is Horticulture for Startup and Stand-up India. Now the ninth question. Who is the author of the book By Many a Happy Accident, Recollections of a Life? So the correct answer is option B, M. Hamid Ansari. Its explanation is, By Many a Happy Accident, Recollections of a Life is a book authored by M. Hamid Ansari, the former Vice President of India. Now the next question. How many women commandos have been inducted by CRPF in its first ever all-women commando battalion for resolute action, that is Cobra unit? So the correct answer is option C, 34. Its explanation is, for the first time in its history, the Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, has inducted 34 women commandos in its elite commando battalion for resolute action, that is Cobra unit. Now next question. In my last daily current affairs video, I asked you a question. If you haven't seen that video, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So I asked, Indian writer Poulomi Pavini Shukla of which city has been ranked in Forbes 30 under 30 2021 list released by Forbes? So its correct answer was option D, Lucknow. Now let's look at its explanation. So Poulomi Pavini Shukla, she is an author and also a lawyer. She has been featured in this list because of her work for the orphan children. Now the next question. So today's question of the day is, Skyroot Aerospace has signed an agreement with which company to launch taxi in space on its Vikram launch vehicle? The options are A, Pixel, B, SpaceX, C, Bellatrix Aerospace, or is it D, Mahindra Aerospace? So among these four options, whichever option you think is correct, just write it in the comment box below and I will tell its correct answer in my next daily current affairs video. that is of 13th February 2021. So till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.